What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, today we're out here in the garage again. Yes, we are. I've been paying this Fairmont a lot of attention, so it should be pretty happy. So I'm in here. I'm putting down the sound deadener. So far, no problem. You know, I use get everything all cleaned up, vacuumed up. I use rubbing alcohol. Make sure that everything's good and able to stick to it and everything like that. So it cleans it up good, and rubbing alcohol, you can use it for a lot of things. Yeah, buddy. But I use the rubbing alcohol to make sure everything's clean, so it's ready, and the sound deadener will stick to it. And so far, so good. It's working. So let's turn around here and see what we got done so far, and I'll bring you back periodically. It's not hard to lay down sound deadener. All you need is a couple tools and a sound deadener. Let's turn this around. So we got the sound deadener, razor knife, and a roller, so we can roll it as we go along, make everything look nice and smooth, and go down into the little crevices and stuff and make it look good. Oh yeah, buddy. So that's what it is, but you want to make sure this stuff's gonna stay good. So that's the reason why I rub it down good without rubbing alcohol. Make sure I got my little holes and everything for my thingamajiggers when I get them. Brain fart. That's what happens when you get old, guys. So, yeah, once I get my body plugs and everything, I have know where they go. I already got the hose done. I actually cut this a little bit bigger when I do get them, so that way I can get them down in there good, So, all right, let me get some of this done, and I'll bring you back. All righty then. So we're back. I about to got the passenger front done. We're right here, so I'm going to go over to the other side and start getting it done. But I think I'm done with this for right now. I am going to go over here and show you what came in the mail, or what FedEx dropped off. And I'm a happy man, because I wanted to do that first before I started doing this sound deadener. So we're in there, we get the sound deadener, we're getting it done. Don't look very good, but guess what? It'll do its job. Oh yeah, buddy. So that's the thing. So I need to get up here a little bit more, kind of even that out, because I got the original stuff that I'm going to put up against the wall there. It's on top of one of my cabinets there. So I'm going to get out there. I got it up in here, cut that around. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. Oh yeah, buddy. So we'll get over there and start getting that other side, maybe tomorrow, maybe today. I don't know what I'm going to do. But let's walk around over here and see what came in the mail. Oh yeah, the dust shields came in the mail. So I'm gonna get over here and I'm gonna start cleaning these up, because I was anxious to get these. So that way I can get these cleaned up, get them painted today, and hopefully I can get them installed tomorrow. So after I get them cleaned up, I'll probably get back on the sound deadener. Depends on how I feel. I'm on vacation, man. This is my weekend holiday, or holiday weekend. Call it what you will. But I got a 3-day weekend. Yeah, buddy. So we're going to get on these. They all look like in very good shape. They just need to be cleaned up and get them done. Yeah, buddy. So that's what I like. So I'm going to clean them up. I'll bring you back. Look, these things are in very, very, very good condition. I mean, I am so happy with this. And I'll be honest with you, I only paid like $45 for both of them, and they are in perfect condition so far. I haven't got this one done yet, but look at this one. I mean, that's nice, real nice. I figured they'd be beat up or rusted or whatever, but they're not. They're in very, very good condition. The mountain the mountain holes are in good condition. I mean, shoot, man. Can't get better than that for $45. It was like $48 altogether. Yeah. That's nice. And like I said, this one right here looks like it's in good shape too. I just got to finish cleaning it up. So I'm going to finish cleaning that up. I'm going to get back onto the sound deadener. So I will bring you back after I get this one done. Had to give the compressor a break. It was running non-stop because I was working it, baby. All right, I will bring you back. Alrighty, so I did finish the front. I got the front done. the passenger and the driver's side. I'm happy with it. It's not perfect, but you know what? It's going to be covered up anyhow, and it's going to do what it's supposed to do. And like I said before, I do have the original for the firewall, so I'll put that on there. I'll glue that all on there and get that done because I'm not going to paint any of that. Once I put the dash and everything on there, you'll never see it. No, you won't. So I don't know if I got enough to do the back here, so I'm going to have to check it out, lay it all out, and see exactly what I got, because I want to do here and up along the back seat too. You know, the trunk, I don't think I'm going to do that because I'll just paint that, you know. So let's get over here and look at these dust covers because I cleaned them up. So I've been a busy boy today. I got this done. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, this could have turned out better. I could have made it pretty all day long. But shoot, man, it's going to be covered up. So it looks good enough. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So let's go over here and look at this. I got the heat on today, baby. She's warm in here. Actually, I'm sweating a little bit. So let me sit over here in my handy dandy chair. I wire brush these things. Oh yeah, I wire brush them. I was so tickled to get these things today. Yes, I was. Tickled. But they're not pitted. They're just, I mean, seriously, man, they're nice. Both of them are very nice. And that's the thing, you know, the ones I seen on eBay, they were pitted. And I bought these off of eBay, but the guy was only selling one. So he gave me both of them. For both of these, it was $42. And then with shipping and everything like that, it was another $14. So, I mean, the ones that I seen on there, if I, made the picture big, I could see that they were pitted and stuff like that. So, hey, I got a lot into this car and a lot of time into it. So I really want these things to be right. And they fit too, so that's the best part. And they're in such good shape. They're not bent up or nothing. That's the nice part about it. So I need to go and get some primer and some paint. I'm going to paint these. I'm not going to pull all my paint stuff and my paint guns out and all that just to paint these. Yes, that's it. Rust-Oleum, guys. That's what's going to happen. So let me bring you back. Alrighty, so I went and got me some Rust-Oleum. And it's got paint and primer all in one. So shoot, man. Stuff goes on thick too. So I got that all on there. Just this one side's painted and it's still got some wet spots in it and stuff's there. So I'm going to let it dry overnight and finish this up. And then come back out tomorrow. And here's the other one right there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. They turned out pretty good. They cleaned up really good. Just I'm excited, man. I'm excited that I found these so cheap because everybody else wanted between, $35 and $50 a piece for them, And I got a really good deal on this. Matter of fact, I got to go back and leave him a positive on them so that way, in case I want to buy something else. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So basically, tomorrow I'll come out here. I got tomorrow off, Martin Luther King Day. And I will paint the other sides of these, and then I'm going to go over there and I am going to get everything torqued and tightened up on there, and then I'll bolt everything there, and then I'll start getting to the rotors and everything together on this. So tomorrow's a new day, guys. Let me turn this on. Alrighty then. So here we are, man. We got this thing. I got these dust shields yet today. I didn't think I was going to get them till Wednesday, so I'm a happy guy. Oh yeah, buddy. So anyhow, tomorrow, I'm planning on getting the rotors and everything turned on, at least one side done anyhow. You know what I'm saying? Depends on how tomorrow is. I mean, I got tomorrow off. I could work, but the thing about it is if I work, then I've got like 2 months, 3 months before we get another holiday or anything like that, which is what, Memorial Day? So Memorial Day would be my next weekend off. And who knows, I'll have to take a vacation day or whatever to work on the car, and I don't think I'm going to do that right yet. I'm going to try to save my vacation time so we can go to Ford Takeover and do some other things this year. Yeah, buddy, we don't want to miss nothing this year. Last year, working on the house, getting all that done, we missed quite a lot. So, guys, I'm going to tell you something. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. You guys are awesome, and if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me, and I'll tell them you're awesome. Guys, have a great rest of your day, and yeah, there'll be another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.